Hi, this is Sal with Toyota Material Handling, TMHNC. Today I'm here with the cylindrical Rider Scrubber. Two common questions I get asked all the time is, when do I plug my machine in and how long will it last on a full battery charge? You simply lift up the seat here. This has an onboard charger. You just plug it in. It'll take about 8 hours to fully charge. Once it's fully charged, with this particular machine, it's got AGM batteries. You can clean about 94,000 square feet per hour. For more information, please contact us on our website, tmhnc.com.